I am a magnet for creative wealth, effortlessly drawing prosperity through my artistic talents. Isn't it wonderful how my art continuously attracts abundant financial rewards? Every brushstroke I make on the canvas translates into a new stream of income. Isn't it amazing how effortlessly my artistic endeavors secure lucrative contracts? I am surrounded by a community that values and generously compensates my artistic work. The universe conspires to support my creative journey with endless opportunities for growth and wealth. My art is a powerful expression of abundance, and it enriches my life in every aspect. Isn't it beautiful how my creativity flows freely, bringing prosperity into my life? Every piece of art I create opens doors to new, prosperous ventures. I am deeply grateful for the financial abundance that my art brings into my life. My artistic skills are highly sought after, ensuring a continuous flow of wealth. The success of my art is a reflection of my inner abundance. I live in a state of artistic abundance, where every project I undertake is immensely profitable. Isn't it amazing how my art is not only appreciated, but also richly rewarded? I am in harmony with the vibration of prosperity, and this is reflected in my creative work. Each day, my creativity leads me to new paths of financial success and fulfillment. My art is a catalyst for prosperity, attracting wealth in all its forms. I thrive in an abundant artistic environment where my talents are recognized and well compensated. Every creation of mine is a testament to the abundance that flows through me. My creative mind is an endless source of prosperous ideas and opportunities. Isn't it wonderful how my artistic journey is interwoven with financial success? I am an embodiment of creativity and wealth, effortlessly blending the two in my life. With every sale of my art, I feel a profound sense of gratitude and prosperity. My art not only enriches the soul, but also brings material wealth. The universe generously rewards my artistic contributions with abundance and prosperity. Each artwork I produce is a magnet attracting wealth and success. My talent is a golden key unlocking doors to financial abundance. I am grateful for the continuous flow of wealth generated by my creative endeavors. Isn't it beautiful to see my art being valued and financially rewarded beyond my expectations? The energy of abundance flows through every aspect of my artistic career. My creative vision is always aligned with prosperity and success. I am a master of my craft, and this mastery brings me immense wealth. Every creative challenge I encounter leads to new, lucrative opportunities. My art is a reflection of my prosperous mindset, always attracting wealth. The joy I find in creating is matched only by the abundance it brings into my life.